એક્ટિવિટી 9.
અર્ચના નામની છોકરી દરરોજ ડાયરી લખે છે, પરંતુ કેટલાક દિવસોથી ડાયરી લખવાનું ચૂકી ગઈ છે. તે પોતાની મમ્મીને પૂછીને લખે છે. અર્ચના અને તેની મમ્મીના સંવાદ આપેલા છે.
Mummy, please tell me, where were we the last Sunday?
We were on the farm.
Oh, yes. What was the name of that big tree?
Big tree?
One near the well.
Yes, that was an amla tree.
Okay. Where was I on Friday afternoon?
On Friday? What was the date?
It was the 11th of this month.
We were in the Doodh Sagar dairy.
And Mummy, on the 12th?
You and your friends were at library?
Oh, yes, I remember now. I was there with my friends. And on the 10th of this month?
On the 10th of this month, you were at the doctor's clinic.
Yes, but I will not write that.
Why not, beta?
No, it was a bad experience.
But it was a real experience. So please do write it.
હવે વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આ એનિમેશનમાં આપણે જે સંવાદ સાંભળ્યા તેના આધારે વર્કશીટમાં આપેલા કોઠામાં અર્ચનાની વિગતો નોંધી ગૃહ કાર્ય કરી શિક્ષકશ્રીને બતાવો.